哟，他给我摆回去。
That raccoon was so excited for pizza night, but all he got was a cardboard box.
Huh?
Despite his interest in the item, he still realized its owner needed it returned. Don't let their feathers fool you. Crows are very smart.
يفتح الباب له. فتح الباب.
There are many ways to solve a problem, and this guy chose the easiest one.
动，不让它动，好玩儿。
Human, don't forget that in this aquarium, the fish is the sole decision maker.
你看，
Looks like we've got a feline tech support guy here. Need help finding a game? Just ask the cat.
Oh, he turned it on.
Just like that, Cash. Nah, my M4 just got jacked.
This parrot's a real lifesaver. It knows how to protect its friends from the elements. He could escape from Alcatraz if he wanted to. Sliding is not only the childhood of children, but also of this bear. I'm convinced this bird has a secret sewing circle with other birds.
要等啊！哎，那你拽吧，拽吧。
I think we've got a feline maid on our hands. Who needs a human when you've got a cat like that? He may be a monkey, but he also places extremely high demands on the sponsored food. With this enthusiasm and focus, Turkey is sure to become a professional soldier soon. He probably wanted to help this fisherman finish his work early. No keys, no support. That's not a big deal because Kitty is his own saviour. Patience is the key to all problems, and this boy understands that very well.
Молодец.
Lucy, come on. Let me help her. Okay? I'll get it.
Not a professional rescuer, the goose still did everything he could to help his friend.
I'm sorry, but I had to get her out of the fence.
When the cat learns how versatile and useful his body is,
Break's over. Break's over.
in the most helpless moments, rest assured that a hero will appear to solve every difficulty. That turtle just proved that brains can be found in the slowest of places. This pig is the boss of his own little farm. No farmer needed. With the trick of distracting his brother, Puppy successfully took the snack without arousing suspicion. Dude, don't try in vain. Once you enter here, you won't be able to escape.
Não, sinceramente, eu não tô acreditando nisso, não, que eu tô vendo. Sinceramente, eu não tô acreditando nisso, não.
With his professional refrigerator opening skills, he'll never have to worry about going hungry.
Found a stick on the ground, and now I'm gonna use it. All this power that I found, gonna totally abuse it. I hit so much stuff, do not get into my way, cause I found a stick, and I'm using it today. I got a stick, got a stick.
Seeing the tutorial once is enough for Kitty to become an expert at this training game. Even without any instructions, the bird figured out how to use everything smoothly. Their intelligence never ceases to amaze us. Thanks for witnessing these magical moments.